I'm going to show you how you can add Flipgrid to your course. So on your home screen, if you go down to your bottom of your course navigations, you're going to click on Settings. Then you're going to click up on the top here on Apps. In the filter by name, type in the word Flipgrid and you'll see it appear here. So I'm going to click on it. And you can see that mine's already installed, but I'm going to go ahead and add app. So you'll want to click the add app button. And then you're going to see that it asks for your consumer key and your shared secret. So now I'm going to leave this page open and I'm going to go to my Flipgrid account. And when you log into Flipgrid, on the top right, you're going to see your little emoji with sunglasses. Click on that emoji. And then the second thing down is called Integrations. Click on Integrations and it's going to create a consumer key and a shared secret for you. Copy the consumer key, go back to your Canvas page and paste it in. Copy your shared secret, go back to the Canvas page and paste it in. And then you will be able to add that app, and now it is integrated with Canvas.